program has gone so far?
Well, I feel almost overwhelmed by the occasion. I mean, it's to come here to such an important place, and for us as a community to stage this event, and to have people that have come here, including the Secretary of State and Shadow Home Office Minister, and several other very prominent ministers and politicians, I think is fantastic. And to actually sit here and listen to Huzur speaking in this setting as well is very inspiring.
It was interesting because a lot of MPs usually are dashing in and out of meetings, but they sat there and
they did
listen with great interest.
They did, indeed. And I think that Huzur's words will hopefully have resonated with them, something that they can take away. He spoke about peace. He spoke about the importance of communities respecting each other. He spoke about the fact that this is not happening in many parts of the world, including Islamic countries. I think that that there will be a lot of respect for the community, which will result from the words that he gave today.
Now, in your own borough, how have things been going for this special year with the Khilafat Centenary celebrations, and what efforts have the community made to make people aware of the special year?
Okay. Well, in Sutton, we've got a growing community now. I believe it's over 500 people in the Sutton Jamaat. And we've taken part in all of the events, all the Khalifa centenary events. We've enjoyed them immensely. During Ramadan, we had 4 iftari, which is more than we've done before. So this was a special Ramadan, I think, and we managed to celebrate that by having the 4 iftari. And I think that the community has come closer together as a result of the events this year.
Well, I hope you enjoy the rest of the program for today. Jazakallah.
Okay. Jazakallah.